these movies right here,
See, I
Texas
told
Chainsaw
you this was
Massacre.
gonna happen.
But
No,
I know
they
it's
told me
not
at the store that the guinea pig would live for at least a school
Halloween
year.
anymore.
Well,
But
guess
these
what? They're
movies
not
are
guinea pig
good. I love
doctors,
them.
are they? It's gone. So now I gotta give my kids the
Look at
death
his
call.
face.
Oh my
It's so
God, Melissa,
scary. Just
I'm
scary.
so sorry. This is a
But
disaster.
yeah,
Can I get you anything?
these
Great
movies
counseling,
are
a hug.
cool.
No,
I love them.
can
They're
we go for a
funny.
drink? Janine, I don't need a beer for a dead guinea pig, okay? I'm gonna do what I always do. I'm gonna go home, throw some baby backs in the slow cooker, and watch Housewives. Okay, well, maybe I can
He's the
come
one
over.
that
That's
played
really not necessary. Also, I'm getting my carpets cleaned tonight. Oh,
Leatherface. I
but,
don't think
well,
that.
you cook ribs and
He's
also a
dying.
rib. Yeah, got a discount. Wait,
68, so he's
you want me to
dead.
eat ribs on a dirty
But
floor? Also,
there
what is with all
are,
the questions? Huh? I mean,
there
are we good?
are.
We're
Let's
good.
see.
You good? Oh, my God. Did
He's
you go get
he's
her?
all on.
I feel awful.
He's
I mean, I
all
pushed
in a
Melissa to
lot
do
of
something she
scary
didn't want,
movies.
and it didn't
Like
work out.
Dinner with
She's not. I
Leatherface,
tried to assert my guinea pig
Hellboy.
agenda.
He's in lots of scary movies.
I might be grown,
But
but
yeah, he's in American
I can
Psycho.
still make
Ooh,
rookie mistakes.
never knew
I'm
that, but
so sorry, but that's
yeah,
just, you know, the
he's in
circle
lots of
of
good
life,
movies though.
right, kids? Life is just
That's
like
it.
that. To quote
Bye.
Frank Sinatra's "That's Life,"